Hi, I'm Justin Phillips, owner of Landmark Roofing, and I'm going to give you 3 reasons why we're the perfect roofing contractor for you. Reason number 1, we're a licensed general contractor in North and South Carolina. We hold the highest certifications with all the major installers, and we're not only licensed, we're also bonded. Number 2, our quality of work is unmatched, and every roof is backed with the industry's best warranty, which gives you peace of mind that your property will be protected for years to come. Reason number 3 is communication. We believe in being communicative throughout the entire process. A lot of companies say that, we actually believe it. One of our core values is deliver what we promise, and we want to make sure that we communicate throughout the entire process from start to finish. So if you need a roofing contractor you can depend on, reach out to Landmark Roofing.